In this video, I'll show you how to get voice chat in Roblox mobile. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch everything I'm going to show you in this video. Now open up your Roblox. So this is our Roblox. I'm going to open up our Roblox. I'm going to tap on this more. I'm going to tap on settings. I'm going to tap on account info. Now what you need to do, most countries are not supported to be able to get the voice chat option. If you love to check yours, you should have your phone number option currently displaying. So tap on it. So tap on this. So come on here and look through and know if you find your country. If your country is here, you can be able to get voice chats. So add your phone number and verify your phone number. Once you are done, this is what you need to do. Go back, tap on privacy and content restrictions. Once you have tapped on it, tap on communication. You're going to be able to see the voice input here. So it's not going to show voice data usage. So if it is showing voice data usage, you know that your country may not be supported. So that is just the simple truth. So come on here, you can see what is showing here is voice data for product improvement. But if your country is supported and you have verified the phone number, you're going to be able to see the input. That is, you see the enable voice chats here option. So you're going to be able to see enable voice chats. So I hope you found this video helpful. So this is just the simple truth you need to know. If your country is supported, you can be able to verify your phone number and come on here and enable the voice chat option. So if you found this video helpful, I'll see you on the very next video.